there, it's Alex from WTI. Do you like to make your own stickers? Of course you do. Stickers are so much fun to use, but also very fun to make. And I gotta tell you that these printable stickers from Koala are a premium choice. Some things that I was really impressed with was how fast the ink dried on the paper. I could instantly use my brayer to get them stuck on my cutting mat to cut out. And I'm just using basic settings on my printer. I didn't change any settings, and I think that the ink is so vibrant and bright, the paper really takes this ink well. The backings peel off effortlessly, which is literally the #1 thing I look for in a printable sticker sheet. It's easy to ruin a sticker if you're wrestling to get the back off. And if you're wondering like me if they were truly waterproof, the paper is waterproof, but the ink can run over time. But this can easily be remedied by applying a coating on top. But to be honest, I've washed this bowl multiple times already and the stickers have held up. I really thought that that was impressive. So if you're looking to make stickers with amazing results like this, I highly recommend these ones from Koala, and that's my point of view.